Hi everyone, and welcome to day 29 of our 30-day challenge. I'm going to have everyone start today in child's pose. So allowing the forehead to the mat, either extending the arms long out in front or taking them down by the sides. Taking a couple inhale breaths and exhale breaths here. And exhaling all of your air, inhale through the nose. And on the exhale, open the mouth, saying ha, H-A, like you're fogging a mirror. And again, inhale. Through the mouth, exhale. This time, inhaling through the nose, beginning to exhale through the mouth, closing the mouth halfway, creating the same sound through the nose. Inhale. Begin through the mouth, close the mouth. And just taking a few more breaths in and out through the nose. Still creating that Ujjayi sound. And then reaching the arms long out in front, making your way into table pose, hands and knees. We're going to come to threading the needle. So on the inhale, right arm all the way out and up. Exhale, thread it through. Shoulder to the floor, head to the floor. Inhale, open. Exhale, thread. One more time. This time we'll stay. Let the shoulder down, let the head down. Extend the left leg, toes down. Extend the left arm to the sky. And then if it's available, lift that left leg and breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Hand, knee, foot. Inhale, open all the way to the sky. Exhale, center. Other side. Left arm reaches. Inhale, exhale, thread. Inhale, open. And exhale. One more time. And when we come into our threaded position, we'll stay. Shoulder and head to the floor. Extend the right leg. Right arm to the sky. And lift if you lifted on the first side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Foot, knee, hand. Left arm reaches. Inhale, center, exhale. Inhale, curl the toes under, and on the exhale, come to down dog. Inhale forward to plank pose, and exhale back to down dog. Inhale forward, and exhale back. This one, when we come forward, we're going to stay. And on the inhale, we're going to rock forward, reaching the crown of the head to the front of the room. Exhale, reach the heels back. Inhale, rock forward. Exhale, press back. One more time, come forward and stay. Lower down, exhale. Cobra or up dog, inhale, and down dog, exhale. One more time, we're going to come forward to plank pose. This time, lift that right foot off of the ground. Inhale, rock forward, exhale back. Inhale, and exhale, coming forward this time, lower down. Cobra or up dog, inhale. Down dog, exhale. Stay with your breath. Last one. This time lifting the left leg. Inhale, rock forward. Exhale back. 2. Come forward and stay, and lower down. Nice big breath. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, down dog. Walk it out. In and out through the nose. Get that Ujjayi breath going if you've lost it. Last one. Finish out that exhale. Inhale all the way forward. Lower onto the belly. Exhale. I'm going to take that right arm straight out to the side. We're going to roll over on to the right side. Reach through the fingertips. Left hand can stay in front, up to the sky, or you can tuck the hand behind the back. Come back to the breath. As you inhale, feel the expansion of the rib cage, and as you exhale, see if you can come a little deeper, stacking left side over right. Two. Good. Last breath. Release the left hand. Come onto the belly. Reach through the left fingertips and over on to the left side. Whatever you did with the top arm on the first side, make yourself even. Again, come back to that breath. In and out through the nose. Expanding on the inhale, and on the exhale, come a little deeper, stacking right side over left. Two more. Good. Last one. Finish out that exhale. Release the right arm and on to the belly. Inhale, cobra pose. Down dog. Exhale. And come forward into seated. We're going to make our way into fire log, right leg on top. So you're going to take that foot as far over to the left knee as we can. Left foot forward and under the right knee. You may look a little awkward. If it's not available to you, put the right foot in front, left foot behind. Take an inhale breath, and on the exhale, come forward over the legs. Try and draw the toes toward one another. Let everything become nice and heavy. Releasing any amount of tension through that right hip with each exhale. Either staying here for the last 3 breaths or walk the elbows to either side of this right foot, left knee combo, so over to the left. Try and keep that right sit bone planted. If you can come a little further, you can take that right elbow all the way to the outside of the foot and knee. 2. Good, and come all the way forward, pressing yourself back up and other side. So left foot all the way over onto that right knee, right foot forward under the left. Take an inhale breath, and on the exhale, come all the way forward. Again, trying to keep the toes drawn toward one another. Sit bones are heavy. Stay with the breath, releasing any amount of tension that you can with each exhale. And either staying here for the last 3 breaths or taking both elbows over to either side of that right knee, keeping that left sit bone planted. If you came a little further on the other side, do so on this side. Last breath. And release. Nice and slow, all the way back up. And make your way on to the back. Extending the legs forward toward the front of the mat, making your way to Savasana. Releasing the Ujjayi breath, coming to a nice gentle belly breath, softening the muscles of the face, neck, and jaw. And begin lengthening and deepening the breath. Bringing movement to the hands and the feet, one at a time, drawing the knees into the chest, coming over on to the right side, and making your way to a comfortable seated position. Closing the eyes, placing the right fingers over the left, taking the tips of the thumbs together, and just letting the hands sit wherever they're comfortable. We're going to repeat silently to ourselves, I am creative. Take an inhale breath followed by an exhale, and begin. Last one. And releasing hands to heart center. Thank you for sharing your practice with me today. Namaste.